Is a song about exorcisms. How do you feel about that? It's a bold move at the end of the set, I know. So I wrote this song because, hear me out, I moved to a little village in Italy a little while back, and in my little village is famous for literally nothing apart from the fact that Italy's only official exorcist priest, that's a thing, by the way, that's the actual thing. I think they call it ordained, they ordain the special priest, and he gets to be the exorcism priest. And he comes to our village and he does exorcisms there once a week. This is a totally true story. And I mean, I've never been, because it's a little bit too weird and spooky for me. But it's a thing, happens there once a week, and of course it piqued my interest as a writer, and so I wrote this song inspired by the village and its antics. There's no truth in this, and it's it's completely imagined. I actually recorded it here in Nashville. Because of course some of the best and most wonderful musicians are here, and I was in a studio in Berry Hill called Smokestack with some friends of mine, and when we were recording the song, the engineer got a nosebleed, and all the musicians freaked out. They're like, and the engineer was super naughty. He didn't tell anyone, but afterwards he was like, "Oh, I get those every week." So thanks for being a wonderful audience. You're going to have a superb night with the guys. Thanks for being so warm and welcoming. And this is The Exorcist. Bedroom windows open, she's smelling violets there again. She'll be swearing at the neighbors, you know she'll make them run away. Well, I don't know about you, but I think I should go. Oh, there's something funny going on here, and I don't want to know. They called a doctor, can you heal her? There's something wrong inside her brain. She sees burning all around her. She said she'll do it in his name. Well, I don't know about you, but I think I should go. Oh, there's something funny going on here, and I don't want to know. He'll put his hands out, try to calm her. He'll get the room dressed up all nice. He'll put up lots of pretty pictures, but I'll get them look there in their eyes. Oh, you know he could tell you stories. Our hearts are broken too with fear. Tells us to put our hands together, 'cause he knows that there's evil near. Well, I don't know about you, but I think I should go. Oh, there's something funny going on here, and I don't want to know. Well, I don't know about you, but I think I should go. Oh, there's something funny going on here, and I don't want to know. When their God cannot deliver, they know the devil's always there. With his bad boy reputation, You know he's got some kind of flair. Ooh, he's got some kind of flair. Ooh.